line and paragraphing. No, we have gone about this. Okay, this is border. Okay, we have the line border, we have the thickness of the border, and the border type. Border type, double line, double or triple or whatsoever. So we have that, which you can also explore the options there. Also, we have here, let's say under this place, we are still under formatting. Under formatting, we have more formatting option here. If you click on this format option here, so these are the things we have done before. Format options, the size, the weight, the log aspect ratio. This one has to do with you want the size to remain in a same proportion. For example, if it is 2:5, if your one is going to be 10:4 or 4:10 rather. So the position of the text, top left, top right. Here you can customize what should be the distance between one place and the other. Drop shadow, deflection. So this is for when you want to have add shadow to your text. Then we have under insert, we have in text, we have inserted text. You also can also insert image too. Okay, you have inserted image. You can insert audio, and we can also bring in video into your visuals. Shapes. Here bring shape, something like this. Let me open a new fresh page. Let me bring in a plain sheet that has nothing. Something like this. Okay, I'm bringing this now. So under insert, you can insert shape. Sometimes you are doing something and you want it to look somehow. You put the shape here, and you can type whatever you want to type inside this. Or if you don't want it to stay inside a place, you can also put text box inside it. You can put text box inside this, and with this, you can also add under the shape. We have arrow. Okay, let's say you want to do something like this. You can put arrow here. Maybe you are doing something that has to do with process from this to this, from this to this. You can have something like this, and they have the process this in between them. Control D, bring this one down. So turn this one. We can rotate this. Rotate it clockwise again, clockwise again, or you can drag it whichever way you like. So you can see the process from one. Oh, just rotate that one, sir. Control C, Control V. So this one will be here. And let's turn this by using the arrow here. Or you right click it and select what we said before. As is clockwise or counterclockwise. So this is how to insert your image or your shapes. You can use shapes. You can use this thing to create process from stage 1 to stage 2 to stage 3 to stage 4. So that is one method. Also, we have the call out. Call out is for text. We want to draw attention to a particular text. Yeah, I just bring out something like this. Maybe you are pointing to something, you want to draw attention to something, you type inside this text box. So these are the things you can actually do with your insert image. Then we have the table and charts. You want to bring in table, you can also bring in table. into your visualizations. We have a new, let's bring in a new sheet. Then let's add a table. Can I add a table here? So let's format options here. No. Let me remove this. Insert a table. Depend on the size. Let's stay with this, something like this. 5 by 6. So here you have your header, you put whatever you want to put. And just like we formatted earlier, you can use all those formatting options there to format whatever you're going to do here. Then we have more thing here, diagram. The diagram here, just like what we did here, there are some inbuilt diagram in both the PowerPoint and Google Slide. We have grid, we have hierarchy, we have timeline, we have process, we have relationship, and the cycle. Or let's just click on one here. Let's use hierarchy. The sample, in this case. So on the right side, you can see that we have the options of hierarchies here. We have this type. We have 3 types here. We have all these types here. These are different types of hierarchy that we can have. Now, here we have level. How many level do you want? 1 level, 2 level. These are 3 levels. If your hierarchy is like 4 levels, pick 4 levels. And you can select any of them that you want to use. Let's say something like this that you like. Okay, let's put this one on that sheet entirely. Let's put it on that sheet. And let's bring it in. So here you label, you give everything you want to give name, this, different to this, different to this and that. And you give them a good name as it should be. So other ones, you can also practice other ones under this diagram here. The word art, these are the text, the different text whatsoever. So these are the text, something. So you can also do that under insert too. You can insert that and the lines. So we have talked about comment. Okay, the comment, no, comment is under. You can see down. Sometimes when you're working, sorry, this is foot, this is a note rather. Where is it? Where is the font? Where is it again? Delete this. You can add comment. You want to comment on something, you can put it there, XYZ, and comment. So it will be there beside this. So that is a way to add comment to your slide. So then what do we have again? Under this, we have slides. We want to, okay, it's normal, part of what we did there. We want to add a new slide, like using the plus, we have plus sign. We want to duplicate a slide. The slide we already have, maybe we want to duplicate it and just change some things there. Click on duplicate slide. We want to delete slide. And this we can also do by right clicking here. When you right click this, you can do so many things here. You can see that new slide, duplicate slide, skip slide, change the background for that particular slide, apply layout, change theme, and the rest. So remember, I said I talked about theme the other time. Let's try and change a theme here. Let's change a theme and see how it's going to affect our job. See now, change it to this theme now. If you come here, it has changed what we have before. And you see that it has changed what we have before. So sometimes you may need to explore something, some of this. If we are not pro, like all my orgas. So if you are not pro, you can make use of all these templates to make your job look okay. What you only need to do is just to change some colors into whatever you think you need. Then we have the arrangement. That's what we have done. The arrange tools here. There is a spelling and whatever. So we have this. So with this, with something like what we have here now, you can, okay, you want to present a job, you can use the slideshow here to show whatever you want to do. So you can see it before you present it, you already see how it's going to look like. And with this, so that is how to do some kind of presentation. Use escape to remove this. And so in case you maybe as a data entry person, you want to go and present somebody, just go ahead, use your Google slide, and then create a small presentation whatsoever to do your presentation. This I can do this for you, I can do this for you. And you go ahead and do they want to show you on the system, go ahead and create that. Now to save your job, you use the save option here. New have the save option here. Sorry, save your job here on the Google slide. Just change the name. If the name is okay, you leave it like that. And you want to download it. It's already safe. It's a cloud base. As we are working on it, it's saving automatically already. So you can come here and download. You want to use it offline, come here and download. See the download point. We have Microsoft ODP, PDF, plain text, JPEG, PGN, scalable, vector, whatever. So whatever all this one means, so you can just use them. But I know this very well. I know this very well. And the plain text and JPEG also. You can download them the way with any means you want it to download, and then you save it. So you want to email it to somebody, you want to share with somebody. Remember that all these cloud-based, the sharing options, don't forget, the sharing options are there for you. If you want to collaborate with somebody, remember the right you are going to give the person. What kind of right are you giving the person? So is the person, let's say I want to use, I'm giving Akim this. What kind of role am I giving him? Is it editor? So that he too can look at it and edit whatever I have here. Or a commenter that will comment on some point there. Please, BMC, do ABCD, whatever. Or just a viewer who will just view, and maybe he can call you to correct, or you want you are doing a presentation, you can just make it a kind of viewer only. Or send to somebody, send it as a viewer only to such a person, and the person will accept that. So that is how to share, how to make a job available to somebody else. Or if it is public something, make it anyone with link. So with this one, no restriction, except that you don't want to download it. They cannot edit it online unless you give them editor's right to edit or delete or whatsoever. So they can delete, and they can do that. So let's look at some from the Microsoft before we move to our payroll issue. So let me share the Microsoft PowerPoint. So like the sample we picked earlier, just like in case of our Google slide, we have everything we can do there. We can always do almost everything here too. So from file, under the file, these are the options we have under the file. New, want to open a new workbook, like we open a new fresh book the other time. You can click, you can start creating from a blank sheet, just like the other one. You can see that they look similar. So you want to add a new slide, click here, you see the options here. What kind of slide you want, you click it here. Under the file, you want to save and open with existing file, you have all those options there. Under home tab here, I think we have everything. What we have here, we have something we have touched from the other server. We have insert here. We have insert where we can insert new slide, table, picture, online picture, screenshot. You want to take a screenshot of your screen itself. So photo album, shapes, This is one add here. Headers and footers. I think we didn't talk about headers and footers there. Sometimes you want to add date and time. So you want to adapt to apply to all the whatsoever, put it there. So on the you can see on the left side that we have it. You can also you can also change it to the right side, wherever you want it to be. So you can add header and footer here. And the slide numbers. We also have the same thing in the in the Google slide too. You want to have the number sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. You can add it. Footer also. You want to have some things to the footer. Be brought to multi-concept. Brought to multi-concept. So this will show on all the pages. You don't, but if you don't want to show on the title page, you check this and apply to all. So if you have all pages, you're going to see it. Let me add new slide and new slide. Can you see this? We have the time, we have the footer, and we have the time, the sheet numbers. Here we have two. We have two here. We have this. But on the first page, you see that we don't have it because we have instructed that this should not appear on the first on title page, which is this. So that is what we have there on this evaluation video. Sorry, you can see what I'm doing. Is it true? Please, can you see my screen? Other people, can you see my screen, please? Somebody cannot see my screen.
Yes, can see it.
You can see it. Okay, Abdurrahman, please.
Yes.
Abdurrahman.
Yes, I can see it. I can see, but what we are saying is just welcome to PowerPoint. It hasn't changed from that. What you are showing us.
Sorry. Oh, sorry. No, I opened new PowerPoint that time. Oh, sorry. This. Abi, you are not seeing this.
I'm not seeing it. I'm just seeing it now.
I'm sorry about that. When this Zoom was disturbing me, so I have to change it back to window whatever instead of the entire screen. I'm sorry. So what I did was under this insert, I think everything on that homepage is something we have done before. Insert, we have touched some of this under the Google whatsoever. And here, this is where I was making some explanation, header and footer, that you can add date automatically. You can add slide number and add footer. This is the footer I added. And I said, don't show on the title slide. I apply to all. So that's when I added two new sheets. And you can see from that sheet, we have the date, we have the footer, and we have the numbers here. We have it here, the date. So if you have like 10 pages, it's going to automatically add the numbers of the page to them. I'm going to do whatever there. So you want to add video, you want to insert videos. You want to insert videos, you can click on this and import your video. And you want to do screen recording. This is one good thing that Microsoft, I think from 2016 or so, has added to. You can record your screen from within PowerPoint. Let's say you want to record this screen now. Click on this, select what you want to record. Let me share the entire screen so that you can see what I'm doing. You can see that when I click on, let me start again. When I click on the screen recording, it opens a new, this place where I am. I can crop where I want to record. So in this case now I've selected this, I can start recording. After finishing whatever I've recorded, then let's record and see. Let's just record one or two things here. And we complete recording. Just come here and stop. It's a shortcut really, that if you don't want this one to show from your whatever, just click on Shift Q to stop. To pause, Shift R, window key logo plus Shift plus R. Here we have window logo plus Shift plus Q. So let's stop this. So it's going to convert this. It's going to convert it into video and paste it into this sheet where we are working. Can you see now? So So this is one, and this one good thing that you can also do with PowerPoint. You can record your screen as you're working and upload it into it. That will form part of your slide. Form part of your slide, and you move from there. So you want to format this one. You know how to format. That is now left for you how to format your video. Under format options, you have all these options here, and under playback too, you have all these options that you can add it. You can add to that. So go back to Home tab. We have a transition. We have animation here. Animation is about how you want it to. Maybe when you are bringing in something like this. Let's say you want to bring in. Let me look at some. Let me insert a new page. Sorry. A new slide. So, and we have, let me insert two things here. Insert, we have this. And we have this. Insert another thing now. Let me insert something else. Or chat. There's no chat. There's no chat. Let me something like this. Let me see where the chat will show without any data. The chat will show without any data. I doubt that. But let's see it. Let's see this. There's no chat coming up. Okay, still coming up. It does not come. Let me add another shape. So here, under the animation, you want to see how you're going to show how to fly in and fly out. So let's use appear. So which means that when you are moving from one page, let's pick this. There's nothing here. There's nothing on that page. Okay. There's nothing here to fly in and out. Okay, with this. So when you are moving from here to this place, let's review it. Where's the slide? There is that. So when you are leaving this page, let me see. So that's how it's going to fade off or come up. If you want to change it, you can also change this. Fade like, do you want it to fade? Or you want to split? You want to wipe out or shape or whatever. So the effect option, you can also explore this option and see how it's going to look when you do that. So the slideshow, how do you want to present it online, custom table, set up the slideshow. So these are options you have that you can always explore from time to time. And that, so we have the review here, and we have here you can check your spellings and do some other things, and the view. So these are the little we are going to look at from the basic of using the PowerPoint. The more you now practice it, the more you become pro when it comes to PowerPoint. But these are the basic things that at least one should know why you want to do your presentation.